So we're back for the rest of the conclusion of the bird memorial. See your picture there. Penelope's going to read this poem that she wrote. I wrote it. Come here. She thinks, we thought we saw a rat under there the other day, but now she thinks it's a cat or a rabbit. But let's read your poem.
I did this picture. First I'll tell you my... He's on the roof of the train, then he's falling down. It's like showing that he's falling down.
All right.
Noah Bird by Penelope. Little Noah Bird by Penelope. This bird said his last word, and he fell down dead. With his last breath, he said, "Bye-bye, one that I love." He was my lovely dog. May he rest in peace in a land of nuts and geese.
What's the matter? You okay?
My eyes hurt.
Your eyes hurt? There's just a couple more lines. Here, I'll shade your eyes.
I don't know where
You're right here.
Until he
the line above that.
He was in a nest above until he got a son.
Very nice.